Welcome to my YouTube channel, it's Brand. Friends, in this video I will show you all the specification, features and functions of Samsung Galaxy A13. This smartphone is available in different colors as you can see on the screen. The display size of this smartphone is 6.6 inches. Now I will show you the right side of this smartphone. On the right side of this smartphone, two buttons are placed. The feature of the down button is to lock and unlock the screen, and also this works as fingerprint sensor. And the up button control the volume of the smartphone. Now next we see the upside of this smartphone, Samsung Galaxy A13. On the upside nothing is placed. This is clean. As you can see front of you, this side is clear. Nothing is placed here. Now next we will see the left side of Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. On the left side only SIM slot is placed. This smartphone is dual SIM. We can insert two SIMs and one memory card in this slot. This smartphone supports the 1 TB memory card, and the rest of the side is clear as you can see. Now next I will show you the downside of Samsung Galaxy A13. On the downside of this smartphone, one air jack is placed and microphone also placed here, and charger pin also placed here, and moreover its speakers also placed in the downside of this smartphone. As you are looking on the screen, these four functions are placed the downside of this smartphone, Samsung Galaxy A13. Now next we talk about its main function, that is its camera. If we talk about its front camera, the front camera of Samsung Galaxy A13 is 8 megapixel with very best results. We can capture images and videos with very best results of high resolutions through this camera. Now next we will talk about its back and rear camera. Its back camera is inside the body. As you see, the camera of Samsung Galaxy A32 is also placed inside the body as you are looking on the screen. The back camera of Samsung Galaxy A13 is 50 megapixel with flashlight. At night you can use flashlight to capture images. This camera show the very best results of high resolution videos and images. The look of this camera is very beautiful as you are looking. Now we will talk about its memory. The RAM of this smartphone is 4 GB and the internal storage of this smartphone is 128 GB, and the battery of this smartphone is 5000 mAh. So this was the complete review of Samsung Galaxy A13. So if you liked the video, subscribe the channel and press bell icon so that you can see the next upcoming videos.